My name is Krishi. I'm from grade 9. When I first heard about this workshop, Wave Global, I thought it would be a waste of time for 8 hours. But once I entered the room with all of my friends and Mohan sir, I thought what he told us to do was impossible. But he helped me and everyone else achieve what I thought was impossible, along with AC Kartikeya and Isha. I learned a lot from this workshop, and that too in just 3 days, 3 very hardworking days. I learned the 100 digits of pi. Uh, I learned the main human organ systems, periodic table, and a lot more. Not only that, I strongly recommend you join this workshop as it will be really helpful for your future. I think this will be really helpful for me, and I will never forget it.